spot.
Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the DC jack from a Dell Inspiron 17 version 7779. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, remove bottom bay screws. Then use fingers to separate and remove bottom base. Now unscrew battery. Next, disconnect and remove battery. Now remove DC jack screw. Then disconnect and remove DC jack. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For batteries, click here. For hard drives, click here. For wireless cards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.